Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again with another exciting tutorial. Today we are going to make this beautiful decorative pillow with a quarter-inch welt and no zipper. These pillows will be filled with a polyfiber filler, so there will be no insert that can be taken out, and that's why we don't need a zipper for these pillows. In this tutorial I will make pillows that have rectangular shape. But shape and size really doesn't affect the process how this type of pillows are made. You can follow this tutorial to make any size and shape of pillows you would like to make. So let's do it! I will make two pillows size 17 by 21 inches. I draw 4 rectangles size 18 by 22. On the piece of fabric I have drawn one rectangle separate, and this will give me enough fabric on the middle to cut 1 3/4 inches wide long strips of fabric on bias for making welt. You will learn two clever tricks how to make welt join invisible. You can use these techniques when making any soft goods, pillows, cushions, bedspreads, table skirts. With this welt join technique, it will be almost impossible to see place of joint of the welt, especially on fabric this print. And now it's time to join the welt ends. I will do 1/4 inch fabric seam allowance for each end of welt. For that, my welt fabrics need to have 1/2 inch overlap. So I will cut this end 1/2 inch longer. And this will be my long point. Now open this end welt and cut it on 45 angle. Combine welt ends together face to face and make 1/4 inch seam. And now we have perfect, immaculate welt joint. Here is another way to make welt joint. This one is a little bit easier to make, but not as perfect as the first one. But still very good looking welt joint. All I have to do, open the welt end, cut extra piping, turn fabric on 45 angle. Put this welt end inside and sew a seam. Much easier, right? And here how it looks. You can see a small lip that is really not too bad, and in most cases it will be just fine. To make pillow surface very smooth, I will insert piece of decorative batting to each side. And now I will stuff pillow with a polyfiber filler between the crown. If you want your pillow to have more relaxed look, then only fiber fill will do it. No need for decorative batting.